Let's talk about it today. Magnetic coil with this no interface. This magnetic coil is dual channel single controlled. So we're going to show you. This is the dashboard. This is a two-way street. One black and one orange is one road. Then there is a power cord socket here. And a power switch. Two fans. The screen is an 8-inch screen. Then we teach the customer to turn it on. So here's the thing. Operation on the interface. This is a boot logo ordered by our customer. We click to enter the logo. After entering, there are automatic and manual operation modes. Let's click to go into automatic mode. Here is a control. So are two handles. It's all from the interface. To control its energy intensity. Let's look at the human figure diagram here first. We can click on any position of the humanoid. It will automatically pop up a part menu. We operate according to the part we need. Hip area. Then we can operate this area below the buttocks, including the outside of our thighs. Other parts are the same, just select the corresponding part. Then set the energy and you can operate it. And then we'll look at the position. What's shown here is the part that operates the wrist. Then the recommended energy frequency, time, and some treatments, and the suggested handle. Handle display A2. Then we can use the A2 displayed here. Install. Make a connection. So here's a hint. This is the location. Its 3 boxes cannot be selected. Just a picture. Then the handle we need to connect is presented. Okay, let's take a look here. At present, we have selected the automatic mode of that. If the customer needs to use MT, we click MT to select. Okay, in the MT mode, it's in a superconducting mode. In this model, we just need to set the energy intensity. The following do not need to be adjusted. It will be based on the 3 frequencies from F1 to F3. Make a sequential loop to work. It's 3 stages at 2K Hz. 4K, 3K. It will go through a cycle to work. And we look at the bottom right hand corner. This is a clinical time. Can be added or subtracted. Then start, pause, stop. Let's go back to anti-automatic mode. In automatic mode, also set the energy when using it. On recommend energy according to our part, for use, then plug it directly into the corresponding handle. Then click start. The 3 parameters here do not need to be adjusted. We will click here to exit. Take a look at manual mode. Manual mode is that there will be 2 types on the interface. One is AM. One is FM. These 2. We can set it according to a custom plan of the customer himself. including frequency, can also be selected. After selecting, we will determine the strength of the energy. That's it. It's highest working energy, and one of the highest energies we can output. Do work. The following sentence has one of the fastest times for it to rise. I have hours to work, and the fastest time for it to press the button. And stop time. All four can be set up in one setting, including the lowest one here. After the button is pressed to the lowest level, the working energy can also be set. Okay, we can see. Each parameter can be clicked and selected to turn red. Then by subtracting 10 minus 5 minus 1 below, or add 1 plus 5 plus 10 for adjustment. The same is true for these 4 parameters including frequency. And then all the way down. That is, we have 10 start parameters M1 to N10. We can set the parameters through the above. Then star. Okay, we hear that beep. It means the storage is successful. When the machine is working, it will be based on the M1 and N2 we have successfully stored. N3 to N10 to working sequence. After working to N10, it will looping turn. This is the clinical setting. Start, pause, stop. So that's the introduction to the latest interface of the magnetosphere. We will teach the customer how to install the handle next. If we install it here, there will be a large circle as standard and this butterfly circle. That's what we call a double circle. Okay, when we connect the handle, be sure to remember, the machine should be turned off or stop working. Handle plug-in connection. We can plug and unplug the color from color to color. Its 2 interfaces are indistinguishable. All handles can be shared. Like orange, we align and then depress. After pressing, it will come with its own lock-locking handle. The client can hear it click. After hearing this voice, it's just locked. Now let's connect the other 2. Okay, after locking, we need to pay attention when using machines. When starting the machine, be sure not to swing the plug and unplug button. If this is the case, if the machine swings when it is working, it will cause pull contact to cause ignition. Therefore, customers must avoid in a working state. Try not to swing the plug button. Okay, after connecting, we can enter. Use a part as needed. After selection, we click to start here. You can get to work. Click here to pause. Here we can see that there are upper and lower cushions. We put up and down 2 cushions. If you work on this machine, you can plug one mat into one interface for use. Use the upper and lower pass at the same time. If the customer needs one of the cushions, it is also possible to match the ring. We will unplug one of the interfaces. Just replace it with a circle. Okay, let's talk about it briefly here. This upright ring is in use. There will be some things that need more attention. First, we circle the words used. This is the first one. Don't move it left and right in this position often. Because there are some clients he is more curious about. That's why this position is so loose, and he's going to do this. The machine is in working condition. If you turn it, there will be ignition in this position. In severe cases, it will smoke. Okay, so here's one. And then, the other one is that we use circles. Be sure to confirm with the customer in advance. Does he have any metal objects on his body? Whether worn in the head or implanted in the body. We all need to let him take it off. If it is implanted, we can't let it operate. In addition, when the double circle is used, to distinguish one side of it, we can distinguish by color. So let's start with this double circle. It has blue and black sides. Then when we use it, if you want to stack double circles, it generates more energy. That is, when the two circles are stacked together to operate, its concentrated energy will be greater here. Single turn operation is also possible. This depends on how the customer uses it. Double circle stacking, it has a noticeable place, that is, we can stack colors from the other side. For example, color on the same side. Like this. It must be the same color if it is facing. Such as blue and blue. They are all used in this way towards our front. Instead of using one blue and one black in front of us like this. This is incorrect. The correct way is to face the same color on one side and the same side of the color on the other way around. On the other hand, we are black. Both sides must be of the same color facing the same side. Then go to work like this. Here's how we use the double circle. Note that the double circle will have these two rings. We machine it because of these two rings. It is given to the customer. And then you attach it with a cable tie. After connecting, we can operate it directly on the shoulder. And we're not going to do that. Customers can later according to their needs. Then connect it with a cable tie to fix it. When using this, be sure to place the pipes above the two circles. For example, what we're looking at here is two lines. It's not tangled together. If he put these pipes in the state of hemp rope to get tangled together, the energy output from our side may cause energy to weaken, or not at all, because of the winding. The energy may be concentrated in this position, or as well as this location. This also needs to be avoided by the customer. Just solve the tools for normal use. So that's one of the caveats of the machine. Here we go. We do clinical demonstrations.